is regarding religious conversions.
The challenge to I'm sorry.
This might take time.
Various laws which are styled as Freedom of Religion Act.
Let it remain on board. We won't be able to. We're getting up at 1:45.
Yes, but this would take time. This is validity of an act.
We're getting up at 1:45 and 2 o'clock.
According to me, the
There
first prayer is infructuous, my lord, according to me, because it's directed against state of Tamil Nadu. That's a big.
just there are one or two issues of I appreciate your lordship may not be able to hear it today. I just want to point out one or two things. In the main matter, that's item 33. One of the states, there were 3 state laws challenged there. One of the states, state of UP, in August 2024, the legislature substantially amended the act which is under challenge. Your lordship had issued notice in 2020 in that matter, 428 of 2020. Now we have taken out an IA for amendment of the petition and filed the amended draft petition along with the IA. That may be allowed because it's purely based on the act.
I
think a lot of housekeeping required to be done in these matters. Your lordship, like amendments, application, a transfer petition, some pleadings are not complete. So I think unless that is done, your lordship may not be in a position to.
No, that's what I want. So far, if we can just segregate it, can I just hand up? We prepared a chart showing all the matters and what is the.
Look, segregation may not be possible. I'm hearing it.
We just shared this with the learner.
Don't intervene like this, please. Somebody is addressing and you suddenly intervene.
I'm sorry. My apologies.
If your lordship will see the first matter, that is 428, challenges the vagaries of these 3 laws. Now, if your lordship sees that first bullet point towards the foot of the page, the petitioner filed criminal MP 90919, seeking permission to amend the writ petition to incorporate a challenge to the amended.
Okay, we keep this on record. We keep it.
I just look at it.
It's already filed. It's at item 13.
You may not record. You just go through the housekeeping part. When it comes up on the next day, because possibly it will require at least a days of argument, if not 2 days of argument.
Of course.
There's one further thing, Lord. The next IA is which we have filed is not seeking interim reliefs. Now, this is in light of the fact that there have been a series of incidents again and again. Lord, these laws are used; they are sort of weaponized. We want notice to be issued on that IM.
Well, there are no instances given.
We're not doing anything. Let us.
I'm only asking for notice on the IA because
this becomes a.
One minute, please. Please take note. Take notice and tell us which are the applications which have to be allowed, which are the applications where you may have objection, or even in the case of interim application, even if notice has not been issued.
We'll put in a note and assist your lord.
Because interim application also notice can be issued also for interim application, but wherever you want, please file your replies.
We'll do that.
There
are number of applications which have been filed. It will be open to the non-applicants to file their response to reply to these applications, notwithstanding the fact that notice has not been issued. So we have issued this direction not to expedite the completion of meetings. So stop. Yes, anything else you want to do?
With your lord's kind permission.
All of them.
My lords, can that be a fixed date for arguments on that?
No, it will be. These matters are taken up on the non-miscellaneous days. These remain on board. Possibly now that it has come up, it will be taken up for hearing shortly.
Your lordship may consider a short date only because these incidents are mounting.
We are not taking this matter out of the list. It will retain its position.
Please, Your lordship.
My lord, I have a different type of problem, my lord.
Yes,
Your lordship, I am here. When these petitions were filed challenging all the laws from different states, that became sub judice before this honorable court. At the same time, it were pending before different high courts. Now, I am in only one petition.
One of the issues which may arise.
That's the problem.
1 minute, please. One of the issues which may arise is, should we hear it or relegate it to the?
One of the high courts. Yes.
Issued an order bringing
just
one. They have all
matters.
Just one.
We'll take a stand on it also.
I request everybody to just allow me to complete. Then this fell from this honorable court that why somebody from this side should not file a transfer petition. I was only in one state, so I was asked to file transfer petition. I filed transfer petition because this is recorded in the order. Now that transfer petition, after issuance of notice, is pending because I am being asked to file wakalatnama on behalf of all the petitioners who are in the High Court. So those petitions are not being listed, and the consequence is High Courts are not proceeding because the notices have gone to the High Court. Here it can't be listed because wakalatnama I can't produce because I am not the petitioner there. So that your lordship may look into this. Either this could be disposed of or everything should be called.
Right, the
So
transfer.
let that also, my lord, I have something to say.
Just
So
one
let
minute.
that also happen, my lord, next date.
No, I'm simply saying
Number
that in transfer petition, the
70.
ministry will not insist on the wakalatnama being filed by AOR in creation. And the transfer petition may be listed before the court.
Please. It's listed tomorrow, my lord, and today is
Lord, I
mentioned.
have no
also,
difficulty,
cause
but
list mentions this.
If I need to respond to that, let me have it. Because I don't know who has filed the petition.
No, he has filed the
We
transfer.
have-
I believe
But
maybe
not
he's.
more.
But it's listed tomorrow, it's not listed today.
No, my lord, it is in the mentioning memo in the cause list. It's only showing on computer date status that it might get listed. It's not.
Let it be then.
Lord,
avoid
can I say something?
My lord, Mr. Mehta, with your kind permission, sir, with your kind permission, may I
that.
mention-
Okay.
My lord, the matter is transfer petition has been filed by me as well. It's listed today. It's item 33.7. It is also the same judgment against which Madhya Pradesh, state of Madhya Pradesh has filed an SLP in which Mr. Mehta is appearing, my lord. That transfer petition also may be, my lord, the notice is issued, it may be transferred to the Supreme Court. 33.7 from the state of Madhya Pradesh.
Original
Fine,
petitioner
let
will
it
have to.
remain. We are retaining everything. We have already directed anybody who wants to file reply, even if notice is not been issued, can file it.
Your
My lord,
lordship
since
has- your
substantive
lordship has
repetitions,
given-
my lord.
Your lordship has passed that direction about not insisting.
Yes, no, that will come up tomorrow when it comes. I can't pass in pass an order. Just 1 minute, please. I can't pass an order when the matter is not on board today.
Your lordship.
My lord,
Either I take it on board and pass the order.
yeah, my lord, please do that because in my
Lord,
case,
In the status,
Ms.
my lord.
Jaising, can
Lordship
others
may
speak,
direct it-
please?
Direct it for.
No,
listing
let it
tomorrow.
be. Let it come up
Mehta, you've
tomorrow.
been
I'll pass
speaking
it.
since the time we
Document
began.
number 3670 of
That will be
2020.
coming up tomorrow. We'll tell them to list it, then I'll pass it.
3670
Very
of
good.
2023.
My lord, only one thing.
Other cases
My
remain
lord,
on
only
board.
one thing. These writ petitions, all substantive writ petitions reply need to be filed, my lords. There are
I've
replies.
said wherever applications or, okay, I'll make it.
My lord,
replies-
only applications.
1 minute, please. If amendment is sought for, then obviously the amendment application has to be first allowed, then the replies be take filed.
Very
Please,
good.
my lord.